Guys, welcome to my latest unboxing. This may be one of the last unboxings that I do for now. Wow. Tough package, huh? Alrighty, here we go. Alright, let's see what's in the cool box. A ton of paper and a Lenovo, looks like, here we go, a Lenovo, oh my goodness, Mirage Solo with Daydream. Awesome. Obviously, as you can see, the box has been opened already because it's not new. I'm big on buying stuff that isn't new when it's this expensive, and that's why I was able to get this for $100 plus the taxes, which are a killer in California. So it turns out to be around $113, including shipping and all that good stuff. Alright, let's see what's in the box. Inside the box we have this thing that doesn't want to come out. Alright, well, it's the headset itself, and it looks hopefully in good enough condition that I can take it out. Here we go. Cool. It looks in pretty good condition, not banged up. Hopefully it's all good. I'm going to keep it away from the sun because lenses could get destroyed. And then it comes with this thing here that doesn't want to come out of the box. Maybe it's not supposed to. Maybe I'm just being dumb. So I won't take it out of the box, but I mean, it's got the charging cable or some kind of USB cable, and this cool thing from Lenovo. And I would guess it has the remote, cool headphones, and the instruction manuals. Alright, well, simple enough. Anyway, that's all for the unboxing today, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.